are watching Kiddos Kaleidoscope.
Bibo's day at the beach. Today, Bibo the bear, Sara the sheep, Pollo the pig, and Mino the monkey are going to the beach. But the beach is boring. Is there anything interesting there? Bibo wonders. At the beach, Bibo finds a seashell. It is rough on the outside. I wonder what else we can find, he says as he pops it into his bucket. Mino spots a smooth oval rock with a round hole through the middle. He pops it into Bibo's bucket. Wonderful! Pollo finds a stick. It is wooden and coarse. Pollo pops it into Bibo's bucket as well. Awesome! And Sara has found a washed-up seaweed. It is stretchy and soft. She also puts it in Bibo's bucket. Superb! Bibo looks inside his beach treasure bucket. The beach isn't boring at all. There are so many exciting things here. I love the beach. Bibo needs a bath. Bibo the bear has been playing in the garden all morning. We're going out soon, Bibo. You must get ready, says Mama Bear. I'm ready, Mama, says Bibo, wiping his muddy paws on his shirt. No, you're all dirty. You need a bath. Bibo thinks baths are a waste of time. I dislike baths, he says, stamping his muddy feet. Bibo, you need to get clean, says Mama Bear. Why? Bibo protests as Mama Bear runs the bath. Because bears with bad breath, sweaty feet, and dirty fur really don't smell good, says Mama Bear, holding her nose. Mama has filled the tub with lots of bubbles and a brand new bath toy. Surprise! Oh, wow! Bibo plays and splashes and makes bubble beards. He is having such a fabulous time. Bibo, I think you're done, Mama Bear says and chuckles loudly. All right, Mom, but I think I love baths now, Bibo says as he finally comes out of the bathtub.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.